Welcome back, guys. I think it's time we accept the fact that we're only a few days away from the JEE exam. So, I think I'm gonna give you a few suggestions that I followed back then when I prepared for JEE. Back then when I gave the exam in 2012, it was just called as IIT JEE. Okay, I'll just give you a few suggestions what I did back then, and I let's just hope it helps you. Alright, alright. So the first thing that you should be remembering is say no to a new topic. Don't even think of starting a new topic at this time of an hour. It's a very bad idea to start a complete new topic. Let's just completely stick to the old topics and think about brushing all the old ideas that you need to follow. Okay. I won't be going technical and give you about specific topics here because different people have different strengths and different weakness. So you'll have to decide it for yourself. So I'll tell you how to do it. Okay. So here is how you do it. Just pick up all the old papers, as many as papers that you can. I'm sure you already have solved a lot of questions, but I'm sure there are a lot of unsolved questions also out there. So just pick up all those question papers that you can get and gather them and do one thing. Go through all the questions, go through all the papers and divide all those specific questions into three specific bits. The questions that you can, questions that you cannot, completely that you don't know at all, and the edge questions. If you know that can questions, that's a great thing, so you don't even have to worry about it. The questions that you cannot, don't even think about them. This is not the time that you start a new topic and completely go fresh. This is not at all a time to do that. So don't even think about the questions that are completely fresh. Just forget them. Questions that you can, it's a great thing. It's a great thing that you already can do. It's all about the edge questions, the questions that you can, but you're probably not able to solve at that specific moment. It's all about these questions, guys. In these last few days, these are the only things that you need to improve. Just pick up all the questions. Like if when you mark up all these questions, just mark up the questions which are edged. Okay, and pick up all the points what you actually missed from these specific things. What are the points that you actually missed? Is it a formula? Is it a concept that you missed? Is it something that you think that you remember but you don't? It could be all kind of ideas. So just do that specific thing and brush up all the edge questions. I think it will be a great help to you if only you can pick up at least 100 edge questions out of all the papers before you attend the exam. I think I think it's gonna change. I think it's gonna make a huge change in your exam. So that will be a great brush up for all the topics that you could be missing. That might help you a lot. All right. And let's just come to the final day, the day before the exam. This is something that you do before the exam. All the few days that you're left with before the exam, this is what you need to do. But coming to the day just before the exam, this is the day that is gonna matter, right? I mean, I'll tell you one thing. If you're really worried about the exam, you already appeared for it once and you know what it is. The 3 hours will be completely subconscious. You won't even know what happened in those specific 3 hours. It will be just be gone just like that. You won't even know that it is gone. Okay. It is just the day before and the morning of the exam that you need to just keep your calm. And to do that, first important suggestion that I give you is stay away from all the negative people. Okay, all the people who talk about subject, who wants to learn more at the last minute. That's not something that you should be doing. Just forget everything that day. Like completely try to completely relax yourself. Yeah, just go through a few formulas here and there, but try to stay away, especially from the negative people who wants to remind you formulas right before the exam. That is something that you shouldn't be doing at all. Okay, and if you are that person, yes, just stay away from people. Okay, yeah, I'm just joking. That is one thing that you need to remember. And yeah, all the anxiety, all the pressure, how do you take it off you? The thing that I did back then was I was living in a hostel at that time, and I actually played games in the hostel. That day before the exam, I played a lot of games. I got tired. You can choose to do that, but make sure don't hurt yourself in any of those games, okay? And my best suggestion would be dance. Yeah, even if you're not a great dancer, do one thing: just go find a private space for you, put your headphones on, and dance your heart out. That is one important thing that I can suggest you. That will take out all the negative energies out of you, all the tensions, all the anxieties. That might help you bring a good sleep to you that night. All right, dance. That would be a great help to you. That I'm sure of. Okay. And if music helps you listen to some pleasant music, that will be a great plus point. I will leave a few links right below this YouTube channel, this YouTube video that might help you a little, but I'm not sure my taste would be matching to your taste. So I'm not really sure about that, but I'll still do that. If you have any hobbies, like painting, like sketching, or any other specific hobbies, try doing that. It'll help you calm your mind a lot. So that will be a big plus point for you. That I'm sure. And one more important thing is, you even if you are not a fan of meditation, I would totally suggest you to try to meditate. Okay, and I'll give a link below this thing. There is a specific meditation exercise called 748, the breathing exercise. Trust me, guys, that will help you a lot. That helped me a lot in the past to calming me down. It really helps. Trust me on that. Okay, try doing that. It'll really calm you down right before the exam. Also, you can try that. All right. So that is one more thing. And yeah, one more question that I get a lot is, I'm worried that I might not sleep enough the day before. That might ruin my exam the next day. Don't even think that. Okay, don't even sleep. Even if you don't sleep the entire night before, trust me, with the kind of pressure, with the kind of tensions that you are in that day, you will totally be alive in the exam. Okay, so don't even worry about the next day. Even if you don't sleep this day, the night before, you will probably be a lot sleepier the next night, not in the morning for sure. On the exam day, you'll be all pumped up and all energetic, and you don't even have to worry about it. And lastly, guys, you have seen a lot in your life already, and you are going to achieve a lot more things in your life. But this is just like a speed count, okay? So don't even put a lot of pressure on specific exam. I'm sure it will go fine. All the best. Bye bye.